Hi everyone, my name is Issa Long and I will be covering opening speeches for Model UN. So I did summarize two videos, and the first one I did was by Freshman Seminar, and it was MUN opening speech. So basically, this video included the purpose of an opening speech as well as key points to remember. So the purpose of an opening speech is basically to introduce the country you're representing, as well as to give a brief introduction to the intro discussed in your country's resolutions. You also have to discuss your country's perspective regarding other issues that you will be debating on. Things to remember when giving and conducting an opening speech. You have to remember that it has to be only 1 minute long. You have to write ahead of time, but when you're reciting, not word for word. Remember to leave a lasting impression on your audience, as well as to make it short, clear, and well organized. It has to be structured well as well. And then you have to make sure to number your points so that you do not lose track of thought or the points of importance, things like that. You also have to remember to yield to the chair or yield to point of information. Now for the second video is basically again about opening speech, but it was by Model United Nations Best Delegate. So this video basically gave the framework of an opening speech, which includes the hook, point, and action. So a hook is basically something that engages the audience. It makes them want to listen. So for your hook, you can either use a question, quote, or statistic, anything that you think will engage your audience. You also want to include your point, which is your country's policy, and it's crucial to stick to one point so that your audience isn't lost, as this is your opening speech, so you want to be clear and concise. And then action. So you're trying to get them to do something, endorse a policy, etc., anything like that. So your overall goal, you have to call to action and get them to do something. So yes, these were the two videos that I summarized today, so thank you for listening.